Hi guys, welcome to an easy DIY tutorial. Today I'll be making a fancy headband in less than 5 minutes. For the measurement, I'll be using 22 inches for the length and 8 inches for the wideness. I'm going to fold the fabric into two, right side facing the right side, just like this. At this point, if you have a pin, you can pin it down straight. You can pin it straight down about half an inch, but if you don't, you can just go ahead and start stitching right away. After stitching, you can go ahead and turn it back to the right side. At this point, I found out that the stitching was a bit very loose, so I turned it back to the wrong side and I stitch over again. So make sure that your stitching is very tight and neat as possible. Now that we're done with that, the next step is to bring the two edges together like this. At the midpoint, you put the two together just like this. Then bring the first edge to the back and the other edge to the front, just like this. And then you stitch about half an inch again. After stitching, I'm going to cut out the excess fabric and the edges too so that it won't poke through. Turn it to the right side and our beautiful fancy headband is ready. You can make up to 50 pieces in a day with just 1 yard. This is a cute and comfortable accessory to keep your hair out of your face. You can rock it with your natural hair, braids or any kind of hairstyle. Thanks for watching guys. If you have a tutorial request, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more DIY tutorials. Bye.